YouTube isn't just for the younger generation. It's for anyone with a story to tell and knowledge to share. If you've ever thought about starting a YouTube channel but hesitated, wondering if it's too late, you're not alone. The truth is, the platform thrives on diverse voices, and your perspective is exactly what someone out there is looking for. Starting a YouTube channel later in life comes with some huge advantages. For one, you have something younger creators don't: experience. You've lived through challenges, learned lessons, and gained skills that make your perspective unique and valuable. Another benefit? You likely already know what you're passionate about. Maybe you love gardening, cooking, or sharing life advice. Whatever it is, people are out there waiting to learn from someone just like you, someone they can relate to. And here's the best part. Your passion and knowledge are enough to get started. You don't need to be a tech expert or have a fancy setup. Many successful YouTubers started with nothing more than their phone and an idea. And here's something even more meaningful. You have the opportunity to create a digital legacy. Your videos can become a lasting gift for your children, grandchildren, and future generations. Imagine them being able to see you share your passions, your wisdom, and your journey, to learn from the life you've lived. It's a way to preserve your voice, your experiences, and the things that matter most to you. Now, I know what you might be thinking. What if I'm not good enough? What if people judge me? What if I don't know where to start? Trust me, I've been there too. But here's the truth. Everyone feels that way when they start something new. The key is to take that first step and learn as you go. When I started my channel, I didn't have it all figured out. I'm still learning, and that's okay. As for judgment, remember this. Most people are too focused on their own lives to judge you, and the ones who do, they're not your audience. Your real audience will appreciate you for being authentic and sharing what you love. There are so many examples of creators who started later in life and found success. For instance, Jen at Silver and Solo, who explores pre-retirement life as a Gen Xer. She shares her journey of tackling bucket list items, exploring new places, and embracing personal growth. Another example is Rob the Maritimer, who shares tips and insights for new YouTubers, particularly those over 40, while inspiring others to take the leap. These creators prove that it's not about when you start, it's about showing up and sharing your unique voice. So, what's holding you back? Take a moment to think about your passions and what you'd love to share with the world. I'd love for you to comment below and tell me what's been stopping you from starting your channel, or what your dream channel would be about. And don't forget to subscribe, because I'll be sharing even more tips and inspiration to help you start and grow your YouTube channel. Now is the perfect time to create something extraordinary. That's it for today's topic, but stick around. Let's see what Ollie's been up to.
Ollie, roll out. Good boy. Good job.